The Aven card has been getting a lot of attention for its low interest rates and high credit limits, even claiming to be the best credit card for homeowners. But is it really? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Aven card, how it works, the requirements to get it, the good and the bad, and what you must know before applying. By the way, Aven asked me to review their card, and I agreed as long as I can share my honest thoughts. So with that in mind, let's dive right in. For background, Aven has been around for just 4 years, and their first product is the Aven card, which is designed to offer the cheapest and most convenient access to money. This card stands out because it's the first credit card backed by home equity. It combines the features of a regular credit card with a home equity line of credit. A Heloc lets homeowners borrow money from the equity in their homes, which is the difference between the home's value and what they owe on it. Lenders usually let you borrow a percentage of this equity. People often use Helocs for things like home improvements to increase their home's value and build more equity, a down payment on another house, or as an emergency fund. But you can use this money on whatever you want, and you only pay back what you use. Now, a unique benefit of the Aven card is its low APR, ranging from 7.99% to 15.49%, which is lower than most credit cards. Aven guarantees the lowest APR and will even give you $25 if you find a card with a lower interest rate. Now, the main reason the Aven card can offer low rates, it's because it's secured by home equity, which is very valuable and protects lenders if you stop making payments. Either way, I always recommend using credit cards responsibly by only spending what you can afford to pay back and paying your cards in full and on time every single month. This way you avoid interest charges and late fees and earn rewards in peace. Speaking of rewards, the Aven card earns 2% unlimited cash back on all purchases and 7% unlimited cash back on hotels booked on Aven's travel portal. Keep in mind that you will need to enroll in autopay to earn the maximum reward. On top of that, you'll earn 1% cash back on your mortgage payments, which is something homeowners have wanted credit cards to offer for a very long time. How it works is that you link the bank account you use for mortgage payments with Plaid, and every time Aven sees a mortgage payment, you'll get 1% cash back. Even if you don't use the Aven card to pay your mortgage, you'll still get cash back. However, you'll only earn 1% cash back up to $200 per year, which is about $16 per month. And you must spend at least $4,000 on eligible purchases in the first 3 months with your Aven card to be eligible for this benefit. Now, the cashback you earn will be added to your account as points, and each point is worth 1 cent. For example, 100 points equal $1. You can use your points for cashback as a statement credit to lower your card balance, or through the Aven travel portal to book flights and hotels at participating partners like Ritz-Carlton and the Four Seasons. Besides rewards, the Aven card offers credit limits between $5,000 to $250,000, which can be useful for homeowners in many ways. However, limits may vary depending on the state. For example, if you want to remodel your home, you can use the card to pay for big purchases like appliances, materials, contractors, or anything else you need, and earn 2% cash back while you're at it. A high limit can also help you consolidate high interest credit card debt into one loan with a lower interest rate. For example, if you have 2 credit cards with big balances and high interest rates, you can transfer these balances to the Aven card and pay whatever lower interest rate they offer you. If done correctly, this can help you pay off your balances faster and possibly save on interest. Just keep in mind that Aven charges a 2.5% fee for balance transfers like most credit cards do. So it's important to do the math and determine if paying that fee is actually worth it. Now, Aven tries to approve you for a limit they think you can handle, but at the end of the day, it's up to you to manage it responsibly. So regardless of your credit limit, be careful with your spending and only spend what you can pay back. Another thing worth mentioning is that the Aven card doesn't charge annual fees, account opening or origination fees, appraisal fees, notary fees, or prepayment penalty fees. You usually have to pay similar fees with traditional Helocs, so you could save thousands in upfront costs with this card instead. But while there are no fees for having or using the card, they do charge a 2.5% fee on balance transfers and cash withdrawals to your bank account, and a $29 late fee if you don't make your minimum payment. However, most credit cards have similar fees. Now, to get the Aven card, you must be a homeowner, have equity in your home, have an income that can support your monthly payments, and have a credit score of 640 or higher. But the higher your score, the more likely you are to get approved and get a lower interest rate. Just so you know, the Aven card isn't offered in every state, and they only offer credit lines up to $100,000 in the states shown on the screen. All the other states get up to $250,000. So make sure it's available where you live before applying. Now you can apply for the Aven card online in a few easy steps. First, you check your pre-approval offer on their website by answering a few questions. By the way, this won't hurt your credit score. So even if you decide not to accept an offer, your credit score will be fine. Second, you'll need to add your income and then they'll show you your offers. It's up to you to choose one or not, but if you decide to move forward, a hard credit pull is required. Once approved, you'll need to schedule a digital signing and submit your signed documents for review. If all is well, you'll receive your card in 5 to 10 days. So the entire process can be fully completed online from your phone or a computer, which is very convenient. Plus, you can close in as fast as 15 minutes, unlike a traditional Heloc, which takes about 3 to 6 weeks. Remember, if you don't use your line of credit, you don't have to pay anything back. You only repay what you use. Plus, you can close your account anytime without penalty if you don't find it valuable. Now, a common question people ask is, will I lose my house if I miss a payment? The answer is yes. But Aven says their goal is 0 defaults, and they're not in the business of taking people's homes, which is why the Aven card is designed for financially responsible and well-qualified people, and provide flexible payment options and safety features to prevent people from getting into debt they can't repay. For example, before approving you, they check your credit score, debt, and income to make sure you can actually pay back what they let you borrow. They also don't let you use a card for risky things like gambling. But no matter what any company promises, it's your responsibility to use and pay off your cards and loans responsibly. Now, my final thoughts on this card are that if you're a homeowner with equity and you want to use that money for renovations, debt consolidation, or other expenses worth taking a Heloc out for, the Aven card is worth considering. Since it has few fees, high limits, low interest rates, and earns rewards on everyday purchases, travel, and even mortgage payments, which no other credit card offers. However, you should carefully consider the potential risks, as with any other financial product, before applying for the Aven card. One important thing to consider is that this card is secured by your home's equity, which means you're risking your home if you don't pay back what you borrowed, just like with any home equity product. So I suggest weighing out the pros and cons of the Aven card and comparing it to other products to find the best fit for your needs and budget. And if you decide to get it, remember this isn't free money. You have to pay it back and your home is on the line. So don't borrow more than you can afford to pay back. Avoid using the card for unnecessary expenses. Have a solid repayment plan and pay on time to avoid fees and interest charges. So that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the Aven card down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about it, check out the link in the description. And if you like this video, you might also like this other one. So make sure to check it out.